Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, running boards, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.